Hey, stock traders, Jonathan Walker here from Transparent Traders. And today, not only are we going to talk about a stock ticker, but we're going to talk about one key term. Today's key term is something that all retail traders need to know. It should probably be the number one definition that you learn prior to starting to trade. And that word is patience. The capacity to accept or tolerate delay, trouble, or suffering without getting angry or upset. If you can understand and utilize patience in stock trading, you will be able to capitalize on gains and a lot less losses, and your stress levels will be a lot better. So that's our key term for the day. Next, we're going to get into stock ticker Blue Apron Holdings, stock ticker APRN. Blue Apron's Holdings operates a direct-to-consumer platform that offers original recipes, fresh and seasonal ingredients, and it's headquartered in New York, New York. So, as you can see right here, we alerted this. This got alerted by James back on August 1st. So, key, patience. This was a swing trade. So, we're going on 7 weeks. Okay, we've had many subscribers holding this. APRN bullish trade, looking for entry at the break above $4.35. Initial stop was $3.75. Target $6.78. So we're going to look at what APRN did the past 2 days. So let's get that TradingView chart pulled up and we'll get into it. All right, here we go, everybody. So you can see we have the stock chart pulled up via TradingView for stock ticker APRN Blue Apron. You can see here where this is where our alert for the bullish entry came in, 435. This is what James put out. You can see since we alerted it back here in August 1st, right after it kind of dropped down, we alerted it thinking that we would get a push up. Been expecting some news. They had a bunch of stuff on the works that we're trying to do to set the company up for its future, and we were just kind of waiting on that to come in. So you can see it pretty much over the next 6-7 weeks it traded in this channel between the entry and the stop loss. So we were just waiting for some news to drop. So what kind of happened yesterday was they dropped out some news going into the end of the day. Basically, they dropped out that they had super voting Class A shares where, like, the founders and everybody, every Class A share they had, they got 10 votes. So basically, all those got converted to Class B shares that were only 1 vote. They also did a major funding round, which was going to raise $78 million in fundraising. Blue Apron's fundraising plan includes $45 million in rights offering and a pair of private placements. Basically, this fundraising equals like 45% of their market cap. But some of the other things that happen is the co-founder and the chairman of the board, Matthew Salzberg, and one of the directors, Barry Salzberg, they resigned from the board. And this skyrocketed. I think it went through 3 circuit breakers. And as you can see, we went all the way from the 380 range in the last hour and into after hours all the way up to 620. This was like a 38% return. So we have subscribers and there's stock traders out here that they'll come in here and they'll buy this $4.35 share when it triggered the entry, and they'll hold 100 to 1,000 shares, and you just have to be patient. Patience puts money in your pocket. Not every alert we give is going to be, we alert it today, it triggers tomorrow or the next day, and it runs that same day. It's not going to happen. It's not how the market works. So this is just an example for educational purposes for a lot of y'all that follow us, that patience pays the bills. And this is stock ticker APRN. And as always, folks, patience pad the wallet. Jonathan Walker is out.